This cat is very intelligent. He was copy style from its lord. Its baby crocodile is just born. It is a process of shotting a horse running. It's not easy as we watch on TV. This place is so amazing. It has 1,000 of cats stay at there. Because the place is a land of cat. They first stopped machine to shotting a big bear on the mountain.
Tell your mom we're not doing anything to hurt you. Hey, bear, bear, bear.
And that's for sure a grizzly, right?
That is for sure a grizzly bear.
Yeah, he's got the hump in his back.
I got no vids.
I was gonna join.
Oh, now he's picking up a rock.
Bugs, man.
The giant crocodile for swimming in the sea of glass bed. It has caught by drone. What's it till end, and you will know it's not a boat but whale trap. 1,000,000 of fish jump into it mouse in just a time. This couple love or risking their life to visit too many shark while swimming.